This is our first AMP Owner Summit. We've been AMP owners since March, so it makes a whole 9 months, 6 months. I can't add right now. And we love it. I mean, it's been a lot of fun because we've gotten to talk to so many different people. We get to see our AMP people that we don't see on a normal basis, so that makes us really excited. We've met tons of new people. We've got to strategize with a few other offices on what do you do, this is what we do. So overall, I feel like just to know that our struggles on a day-to-day basis aren't ours alone, that other people are struggling with those things too, and our wins are other people's wins, and we can kind of bounce ideas off of each other without ever feeling like there's any competition. It's truly like I scratch your back, you scratch mine, we're all happy. And we've learned all kinds of different hair protocols from people here so far. And the ETSOE is crazy what everyone's doing with it just for healing.
And so, finding AMP and a company that really supports you fully and wants your business to succeed has really been great.
We can definitely see when we run our numbers each month on which products have the best support for us, because those are our products that perform the most, and it's our services that perform the best.